Now that you have an understanding of what gamma is, we need to take a look at what the pitfalls of incorrect gamma correction are. Specifically, if you don't have gamma set correctly in 3ds Max, then your renderings are going to look strange. So here's another version of the Cornell box with some materials applied. And you'll see there are some bitmap images on the surfaces. Those images are just from the standard 3ds Max material libraries. I've pre-rendered a couple of versions of this, one with gamma off and one with gamma on, so you'll see the difference. So I'm going to hit Alt-Tab and go to my rendering. So this is what it looks like with gamma turned off in 3ds Max. And you'll notice there's even a difference between the brightness of the texture in the viewport versus the brightness of the texture in the rendering. So again, this is with gamma turned off. Now if we look at the one with gamma turned on, the colors are much deeper, much richer, and more saturated. So if your renderings do not look dark enough or don't have enough contrast, then it's probably because gamma is disabled in 3ds Max. You'll note, by the way, that the lighting is exactly the same here in both cases. I'm just toggling through them so you can see the difference. So gamma correction doesn't affect the lighting, and it doesn't affect flat colors like this wall, which is just a flat red wall set in the material editor. Gamma correction does have a significant impact on the contrast of bitmap textures applied to surfaces. So the moral of the story is here, if you're working with Mental Ray, you always have to consider whether gamma is turned on or off, and it always needs to be on. So next we'll look at turning it on.